Welcome to TaxDawn's Tax Apprentice video. This video is designed to give practical exposure to students on filing tax returns on iTAX. In Activity 1, we explore filing monthly residential rental income returns. Let's consider this quick illustration. Quick facts about monthly residential income. We take note of the rate, which is 10%, and is payable on the 20th day of the following month. We have this landlord. I want you to take note of the PIN number. Then the tenants. We have the details of the tenants as indicated. Now we shift to iTAX schedule and populate with relevant details. The PIN number, we enter the PIN number of the landlord. For type of return, we choose on the drop-down listing and choose original. The return period, it is for the month of January. We choose from 1st of January to 31st of January 2020. Then we go to the next sheet, whereby we enter the name of the tenant. Remember, the details PIN of the tenant is not a mandatory field. Name of the building, depending on the name that has been given by the landlord for his buildings. Street, where you can locate the building where the tenant lives. City, choose the city. In our case, we choose Nairobi. Then the county, this one you got to choose from the drop-down listing. In our case, it is Nairobi. Let's choose from the drop-down listing, Nairobi. County. District, that is a tax district. And the tax district for a tenant is Westlands. Locality, Chiromo. Nearest landmark, Delta, we choose Delta. PO box, these are details of the tenants, so we give the PO box of the tenant. Post office, we got to choose. The tenant's post office is City Square. Choose City Square. Postal code, notice that this is auto-populated. Date is from 1st of January 2020 to 31st of January 2020. The amount in our illustration is 150,000 shillings. And that's all for the first tenant. We go for the second tenant and we enter the name of the tenant. This is land rate number. We enter that number. And name of the building as given by the landlord. Then the street, like this building is in Donholm, which is in Nairobi. The county, Nairobi once again. Tax district, in our case, Donholm, happens to be in Makadara. Tax area, the closest is actually in Buruburu. We can choose a landmark. This is for the landlord to inform you. Total, in our case, we enter the PO box number. We choose the postal office and the code is automatically populated. Then the return period from 1st of January 2020 to the 1st of January 2020. And we enter the amount. In our illustration is 80,000 shillings. Watch this. The system will capture the total. The other sheets which are not relevant in our illustration, we skip them. For beginners, we don't need those sheets. See what happens in the last sheet. We have the total income 230 and 23 is computed as 10%. We validate. After validating, we'll be ready to upload our results. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Log on to www.taxdawn.co.ke. Click on Tax Apprentice tab. Work on Activity 1 and upload your results.